What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and I'm over here drilling these holes in this big, thick steel moleum here. This thing is huge, man. And I made a video earlier in my career about how to drill through metal. As you can see here, I have a metal bit, if it focuses here. And as you can see, when I go to drill into this metal, you're gonna see that the metal's gonna peel. See that metal peeling out right there? Let me show that. Okay, I got a little saying that goes, if it ain't peeling, you ain't killing. So anytime you're drilling through metal, it's just a matter of just buying a metal bit, okay? This is a metal bit. It's an 1/8 inch big, and you can see all the moleum on the bit there. But as long as it's peeling, it will be cutting. And that's all you need to do to drill into metal, all right? So hopefully you guys found this useful. Quick, easy video. There's really nothing else I can say. Just a matter of just gonna go purchase that metal bit there. I'm even using an impact drill. This is not even really a drill. This is not the best tool to drill into metal with, but it works. You know, I got my hand all in the video. I'm sorry for that. But that's it, man. I'm about to put this bracket on the wall right here.